let's see how to create match and move transition videos in Canva. Open Canva and add your images to the page. You can use this uploads option to upload your own images. Now I'm going to use these images from the Canva gallery as my product images. First, we are going to remove the backgrounds of all the images. Select your image and go to BG Remover option and remove all the backgrounds of your images. Now next, select your image and crop out the extra white space from all the images.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fear.
Let's adjust the size of all the images and make them equal. Once you are done with now let's add some guidelines for our designing. So select your page, go to file option, go to settings and go to add guides. Here select the custom option. I'm going to make the rows 5 and columns to the 0 and click on the button add guides. Here you can see you have got these lines for your reference. Now place the images like this. So top image I'm going to place its end or the bottom area with this line, and at the end I'm going to add this image to this first guideline and make this center, and yes, you are done. Now select all the 3 images together and make them a little bit smaller. Adjust the size. Done. Now I'm going to duplicate this page. So select your page and click on duplicate. Right click and you will get this option. Here on second page, I'm going to bring this top image to the bottom, this bottom image to the center and the center image to the top. Now place them like this with the help of the lines. Now duplicate this page one more time, and on this again repeat same steps. Bring the top image to the bottom, bottom to the center and center to the top. Now I'm going to remove all these guidelines again as I'm done with the placements of my images. So go to settings option under file and click on clear guides. Now let's create some backgrounds for our design. So select your page, go to background color option, and here I'm going to add this color from the photo colors. Now to add some gradients, go to background color options, hover over the settings option, go to gradients option, and here I'm going to copy this color code and paste it to this both the colors. Now here on the first I'm going to make it little bit lighter, on the second I'm going to make it little bit lighter, and this way you can change the styles of the gradients too. So yeah, I'm going to use this option for my gradients. And yes, done. Now copy this style, select your page, right click and click on copy style button. Jump to the second page and paste your style over here. And paste your style over here. Same way, copy this style again and jump to the third page and paste your style over here. Now add some elements to the background. So go to elements option and search for coffee beans pattern. Now here under graphics I will get multiple options. Select any one. Now I'm going to change the color of this element and make it transparent using transparency option. Now place it or adjust its size like covering the whole page. Now right click and go to layers option and send it to the back. Now let's add some animations to this background elements. So go to animate option, scroll down and use this rotate effect. And you can adjust the speed of this rotation from here. Now copy this element and paste it on next two pages. So select this element and copy it. Go to second page, select the page and paste it again. Go to the layer option and send it to the back. Repeat the same process for the third page too. Now here I'm going to add some animations to images also. So select your center image on each slide, go to animate option and select the breathe animation style. Now go to second slide, select your center image, animate the image with breathe style. Now let's click to the center of two pages and you will get the option for add transitions. Click on it and select match and move style. Now adjust the duration of this match and move transition style and click on apply between all the pages. So this style will be applied between all the pages. Now let's go to the timings to adjust the timings of each the pages. Now here I'm going to make it to 2.0 and on this button to apply this timing to all the pages. Now let's add some music to our design. Go to audio option and add a music. Now use this option to sync your pages and elements with the music automatically and on this button. So this is how we have created our match and move transition video in Canva. If you have loved and enjoyed this video, thumbs up and stay tuned for more such content. Thank you.